Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular WAG12 locomotive over here. So we'll be continuing it further over here. So now very first of all, what we'll be doing over here is like, let's start working on the wheels over here, wheel section. So I'll just go over here and I'll just make one cylinder over here. So let's just shuffle this up over here, select this and let's just duplicate it over here. We can get some details in this way, and you can just reduce its height. You can slightly reduce its height, and let's just shuffle this down. So I'll go into this, I'll just take a box or just take a line over here. I'll off this enable in viewport. Enable in viewport. Make it as rectangular over here and slightly just shuffle this up over here. So push this over here. So duplicate that again over here in this way. After that, let's go over here again into this view, and now what I can do over here is like I can just model this stuff. I can just take a line tool over here, so increase its length and width a bit over here and convert to editable poly. So select this edges, after that go over here and let's select the polygons, extrude it by local normal, click OK. After that I'll again go into this, take again a swift loop over here. So take again a swift loop over here, select this polygons and let's give a bit of bridge over here. So the same way I'll again just slightly I'll first put one loop over here, shuffle this forward like this. So I'll just scale a bit and I'll shift this a bit over here, scale a bit, convert to editable poly again, select this part and slightly I'll extrude it, take again a swift loop, select this edges, shuffle it up and isolate this. So scale this again. Want to scale it? You can just scale it more and select this polygons. So before that I'll just shuffle this up over here, select this polygons and slightly extrude it in this way. So definitely we are generating some details over here. So over here also, let's again go into this, take a line tool over here, take a line tool. So make it as a radial over here, select the vertices and slightly give a bit of fillet and reduce its thickness, shuffle it up, so select and just push this till here, over here. After that, you can slightly shuffle this a bit inside. Take again a cylinder, reduce the height segments, convert to editable poly, insert, so just go over here, select this, I'll just duplicate this and after that I'll just end isolate this. Again I'll take a line tool over here, so just go over here and increase its or reduce its thickness. So go into this, so slightly we'll just connect this till here, go into the vertices and we'll just push it inside. That can be done. So right click, you can just refine it over here, again select this and Slightly, if you want, you can just rotate it. So that can be done in this way. Now let's go over here near the wheel section over here. I can just take a cylinder over here for this. How much your area is going to cover up with the wheels, you can just define that. So for that I can just increase its height and the radius. So increase a bit of its radius, not much. Okay, I think this much is okay, or you can slightly increase it more. So slightly shuffle this a bit up. For example, this is your area. I think this much is okay. So I'll just convert to editable poly. Select this, give a bit of inset, again give a bit of inset, give again one more inset, and let's give extrude but in negative axis, and let's click OK. So select this polygons, slightly can shuffle this. We can just adjust this later on because this is going to look in that way. So I'll just put a loop over here and select this edges. I'll ring it, control and click on the polygons, and let's just bevel it. And let's click OK. Alright, so you can make something over here for the hanging section, or else I'll again take a cylinder over here like this, which will get connected like this. Okay, so make this straight. So convert to editable poly, select the polygons, insert it, slightly bevel it. So we are definitely generating the details, so it's going to take time. Save your file once. So again I'll insert it and extrude it. Select the edges, So select this edges. Okay. So select this edges and let's give a bit of chamfer. After that, let's put something over here. We can put it up. Slightly a bit offset. We'll go over here. I'll select the polygons over here like this and I'll slightly extrude it. So take a line of this auto grid and let's connect this. So reduce its thickness. And after that, let's again take one more line. I'll just off this enable in viewport over here. Close it. So shift this till here. So select this, shuffle it, enable in viewport, make it as rectangular. And shift this down. And let's give a bit of fillet. So when you're generating some details, so that would look in that way. So push it down much better. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please do subscribe. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So as you can see how we have generated the details over here. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.